Question 16 and 17. So I've got a Maxwell distribution curve here. Right, along the bottom you've got energy, and up the side you've got numbers of molecules. So first of all, which letter represents the mean energy? Energy is along the bottom. So you're looking at either C or D as a value for energy along the x-axis. A and B would be the number of particles. So immediately you're down to C or D. Now the question is, at the height of the peak here, this is the energy. C is the energy that most particles have. These number of particles going up the side, you can see most particles at the peak. A is the most number of particles at energy C. So A is the number of particles at the energy that most particles have. That's number of particles. C is the energy that most particles have. Offset to the right, so to the right hand side, right of the peak, this D is the mean energy, the average energy. It's not the most energy that particles have, the energy that most particles have, it's the mean energy, and that's D, and B therefore is the number of particles with the mean energy. So the mean energy is offset to the right of the peak. Ethanol can be made by glucose for fermentation. I've been given a mass and an MR of each, so I need to work out number of moles of each. Moles is mass divided by MR. So for moles of glucose is mass divided by MR. Mass of glucose, I need to convert kilograms into grams first of all, though, however, because mass is in grams. So kilograms a large unit value into a smaller unit value and multiplying by 1,000. So 1.44 times 1,000 is 1440. 1440 divided by the MR, I've got 8 moles of glucose. Ethanol, numbers of moles, well, I've got that in grams, so that's easy. 268 divided by 46, I've got 5.83 moles of ethanol. Now if I look in the equation, 1 mole of glucose should make 2 moles of ethanol. So if I've started off with 8 moles of glucose, 1 mole makes 2, 8 moles should make 16. I should be making 16 moles of ethanol, but I've only made 5.83 moles of ethanol out of the 16 that I theoretically could have made. So 5.83 is what I did make, moles. 16 moles is what I theoretically could have made. And so I'll divide the smaller by the larger, times by 1,000, 36.4, and my answer is B.